Every 11 seconds, an older adult is treated in an emergency room for a fall-related injury. And here's what terrifies me most. 1 in 4 people over 60 will fall this year, and many will never fully recover their independence. But what if I told you that the solution isn't expensive physical therapy or dangerous medications? What if the answer is sitting in your kitchen right now, in 5 specific nutrients that can restore your balance and stability within weeks? I've spent years researching the connection between nutrition and fall prevention, and what I discovered shocked me. The medical establishment treats balance problems with prescriptions and walking aids, but they're completely ignoring the nutritional deficiencies that are actually causing the problem. Today, I'm revealing the 5 vitamins and minerals that can literally transform your balance, strengthen your legs, and give you the confidence to move freely again. But first, let me show you why this matters more than you might think. Because falls aren't just about broken bones. They're about losing your independence, your confidence, and sometimes your entire quality of life. Let me paint you a picture. You wake up at 3 in the morning needing to use the bathroom. You swing your legs out of bed, stand up, and suddenly the room spins. You reach for the nightstand, miss, and hit the floor. This happens to thousands of seniors every single night, and most of them have no idea it could have been prevented with the right nutrients. Here's what really happens when you fall. A study from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society followed over 4,000 adults over 60 for 5 years. What they found was heartbreaking. After a serious fall, 40% never returned to their previous level of independence. 25% required long-term care. And the psychological impact? 70% developed a fear of falling that made them limit their activities, which actually increased their risk of falling again. But here's the part that makes me angry. When researchers analyzed the blood work of frequent fallers versus those who maintained perfect balance, they found something shocking. Nearly every person who fell regularly had deficiencies in specific vitamins and minerals, not just low levels, severe deficiencies. And here's the kicker: their doctors had never tested for these deficiencies or recommended supplementation. Your balance system is incredibly complex. It relies on signals from your inner ear, your vision, your muscles, and thousands of nerve endings in your feet and legs. All of these systems require specific nutrients to function properly. When you're deficient, these systems start to fail. Your reaction time slows, your muscles weaken, your nerves can't send signals fast enough, and suddenly, a small trip becomes a devastating fall. The scary part? These deficiencies develop slowly. You don't wake up one day unable to balance. It happens gradually. First, you notice you're a little unsteady on stairs. Then you hold onto furniture more when walking around the house. Then you start avoiding certain activities because you don't trust your balance anymore. By the time you realize there's a problem, you've already lost months or even years of the nutrients your body desperately needs. Now let me show you the solution. These 5 nutrients can restore your balance, strengthen your stability, and give you back your confidence. And I'm going to tell you exactly how much you need, when to take them, and which forms work best. Let's start with the most critical nutrient for balance, vitamin D. And I'm not talking about just any vitamin D. I'm talking about the optimal levels that most doctors never tell you about. Vitamin D is absolutely essential for muscle strength and coordination. Your muscles have vitamin D receptors, and when these receptors aren't activated, your muscles become weak and slow to respond. A groundbreaking study from the University of Zurich examined over 2,000 adults over 65. They found that people with vitamin D levels above 40 nanograms per milliliter had 60% fewer falls than those with low levels. 60%? That's not a small difference. That's life-changing. But here's what most people don't know. The standard recommendation of 600 to 800 IU per day is nowhere near enough for most seniors. Your body needs vitamin D for dozens of functions, and as you age, your skin becomes less efficient at producing it from sunlight. You can spend hours outside and still be deficient. Here's what you need to do. Get your vitamin D level tested. Don't just accept normal. Ask for the exact number. You want to be between 40 and 60 nanograms per milliliter. If you're below that, and most seniors are, you need to supplement with 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily. Take it with a meal that contains fat because vitamin D is fat soluble. A handful of nuts, some avocado, or a piece of fatty fish will help your body absorb it. And here's something that will surprise you. Studies show it takes about 8 to 12 weeks of consistent supplementation to see the full benefits in balance and muscle strength. But patients report feeling more stable and confident within just 4 to 6 weeks. One woman I know fell 3 times in 6 months. After optimizing her vitamin D levels, she went 2 years without a single fall. Her leg strength improved so much, she started gardening again, something she'd given up because she couldn't trust her balance while kneeling and standing. Now this next one is even more powerful, and it's the most common deficiency I see in people over 60. Vitamin B12 is the nutrient your nervous system cannot function without. And when your nervous system isn't working properly, your balance disappears. Here's why this matters so much. Your balance depends on something called proprioception. That's your body's ability to know where it is in space. Nerve endings in your feet, ankles, and legs constantly send signals to your brain about your position. When you're B12 deficient, these signals slow down or stop altogether. A study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine examined over 500 adults over 65 with balance problems. When researchers checked their B12 levels, they were shocked. 43% were deficient. But here's the amazing part. After 12 weeks of B12 supplementation, those same people showed a 47% improvement in balance tests. Their walking speed increased, their confidence improved, and their fall risk dropped dramatically. The problem is that as you age, your stomach produces less of a substance called intrinsic factor. You need intrinsic factor to absorb B12 from food. So even if you're eating plenty of meat, eggs, and dairy, you might not be absorbing enough B12. And certain medications make this worse. If you take metformin for diabetes or proton pump inhibitors for acid reflux, you're at even higher risk for B12 deficiency. Here's what you need to know. You want your B12 level above 400 picograms per milliliter, and ideally above 600. But the form of B12 matters enormously. Most supplements contain cyanocobalamin, which your body has to convert to the active form. Instead, look for methylcobalamin or sublingual B12. These forms absorb much better, especially if your stomach isn't producing enough intrinsic factor. Take 1,000 micrograms daily and take it in the morning. B12 can give you energy, so you don't want to take it before bed. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you should notice improvements in your energy levels. Within 6 to 8 weeks, your balance and coordination will start to improve. Some people report that brain fog clears up too, because B12 is essential for cognitive function. Stay with me because number 3 will shock you. This mineral is involved in over 300 processes in your body, and almost every senior is deficient. Magnesium is the forgotten mineral for balance and stability. While everyone focuses on calcium for bones, magnesium is actually more important for preventing falls. Here's why. Magnesium controls muscle contraction and relaxation. When you're deficient, your muscles stay partially contracted. They become tight, crampy, and slow to respond. Those leg cramps that wake you up at night, that's usually magnesium deficiency. That feeling of stiffness when you first stand up, magnesium deficiency. But it gets worse. Magnesium is also essential for vitamin D to work properly. Your body needs magnesium to convert vitamin D into its active form. So even if you're taking vitamin D supplements, without adequate magnesium, you won't get the full benefits. A study from the Journal of Nutrition followed 1,200 adults over 60 for 4 years. Those with the highest magnesium intake had a 37% lower risk of falling compared to those with the lowest intake. And these weren't people taking massive doses. They were simply getting enough through diet and moderate supplementation. The recommended daily amount is 320 milligrams for women and 420 milligrams for men. But here's the problem. Modern farming has depleted magnesium from our soil. The vegetables you eat today contain 40 to 60% less magnesium than the same vegetables 50 years ago. Plus, stress, caffeine, and many medications all deplete magnesium from your body. You need to supplement, but the form matters tremendously. Magnesium oxide, the most common form, has terrible absorption. Only 4% gets into your bloodstream. Look for magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate instead. These forms absorb much better and are gentle on your digestive system. Take 300 to 400 milligrams daily, split into 2 doses. Take 1 dose in the afternoon and 1 before bed. Magnesium helps you relax and sleep better, so that bedtime dose will give you double benefits. You should notice less cramping within a week, better sleep within 2 weeks, and improved balance and muscle function within 4 to 6 weeks. Here's a practical tip. Eat more magnesium-rich foods too. Dark leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and black beans are all excellent sources. Soak nuts and seeds overnight to improve absorption. And if you're eating greens, add a little fat because magnesium absorption improves when you eat it with healthy fats. Most people skip this next one, but it's crucial for leg strength and preventing those sudden weakness episodes that lead to falls. Potassium is the mineral that keeps your muscles strong and responsive. Every time your muscle contracts, it uses potassium. When you're deficient, your muscles become weak and fatigued easily. You know that feeling when you stand up and your legs feel shaky? That's often low potassium. Here's what most people don't realize. Potassium works in partnership with sodium to control fluid balance and nerve signals. When you're potassium deficient, excess sodium stays in your cells. This causes swelling, high blood pressure, and poor muscle function. But when your potassium levels are optimal, your muscles stay strong, your nerves fire properly, and your balance improves dramatically. A fascinating study from the American Heart Association tracked over 14,000 adults over 65 for an average of 8 years. Those consuming the highest amounts of potassium had significantly fewer falls and better mobility scores. The researchers concluded that adequate potassium intake was one of the most important dietary factors for maintaining independence in older adults. You need about 3,000 to 3,500 milligrams of potassium daily. But here's the good news. You should get this from food, not supplements. High-dose potassium supplements can be dangerous, especially if you have kidney problems. Instead, focus on potassium-rich foods. The best sources are bananas, sweet potatoes, white potatoes with the skin, spinach, avocados, and white beans. One medium sweet potato has about 450 milligrams of potassium. One banana has about 400 milligrams. A cup of cooked spinach has over 800 milligrams. Eat 2 to 3 servings of these foods daily, and you'll hit your potassium target easily. Here's a powerful tip. Start your day with a potassium-rich breakfast, a small sweet potato with your eggs, or a banana with almond butter and your morning coffee. This gives your muscles the potassium they need when you're most active during the day. Many people notice stronger legs and better stability within just 2 to 3 weeks of increasing their potassium intake. What I'm about to share changed everything for the patients I know who struggled with balance despite doing everything else right. Omega-3 fatty acids are the final piece of the puzzle. You probably know omega-3s are good for your heart and brain, but few people realize how critical they are for balance and stability. Here's the mechanism. As you age, inflammation increases throughout your body. This inflammation damages the tiny nerve endings in your feet and legs that are essential for balance. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that protect these nerves. But there's more. Omega-3s also improve muscle protein synthesis. That means your muscles can actually rebuild and get stronger even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. A study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed adequate omega-3s maintained significantly more muscle mass and strength than those with low intake. And here's something remarkable. Researchers at the University of Aberdeen tested balance in older adults before and after 12 weeks of omega-3 supplementation. The group taking omega-3s showed a 29% improvement in balance scores. They were steadier on their feet, had better reaction times, and reported feeling more confident in their movements. You need about 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. Those are the two active forms of omega-3s. You can get this from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines. 3 to 4 ounces of salmon gives you about 1,500 milligrams. But if you're not eating fish regularly, and most seniors aren't, you need a high-quality fish oil supplement. Look for a supplement that lists the EPA and DHA content on the label. You want at least 500 milligrams of each. Take it with a meal to improve absorption and reduce any fishy aftertaste. Some people prefer krill oil because it absorbs even better and doesn't cause burping. That's a great option too. Within 4 to 6 weeks, you should notice reduced stiffness and better mobility. Within 8 to 12 weeks, your balance will improve significantly. And as a bonus, many people report better memory and mental clarity because omega-3s support brain health too. Now here's something most people miss, and it's absolutely critical for getting results. All 5 of these nutrients work together synergistically. Vitamin D needs magnesium to activate. B12 works better with adequate potassium. Omega-3s help your body absorb vitamin D. When you address all 5 together, the results are dramatically better than focusing on just 1 or 2. But there's a mistake I see constantly. People start supplementing and expect overnight results. Here's the truth. Your body has been deficient for months or years. It takes time to rebuild your stores and repair the damage. You need to commit to at least 8 to 12 weeks before judging the results. Also, timing matters. Take vitamin D and omega-3s with your largest meal of the day because they're fat-soluble. Take B12 in the morning for energy. Take magnesium split between afternoon and evening. And get your potassium from food throughout the day. One more critical point. If you're on medications, especially blood thinners, diabetes medications, or blood pressure medications, talk to your doctor before starting supplements. These nutrients are generally very safe, but they can interact with certain medications. Your doctor may need to adjust your medication doses as your nutrient levels improve. Here's the bottom line. Falls are not an inevitable part of aging. Poor balance is not something you just have to accept. These 5 nutrients give your body what it needs to maintain strength, coordination, and stability. They work at the cellular level to rebuild your nervous system, strengthen your muscles, and restore your confidence. If you want more proven strategies for staying strong, independent, and healthy after 60, subscribe to this channel. I share research-backed information that can transform your health, and I never recommend anything I wouldn't recommend to my own family. Comment below and tell me which of these 5 nutrients you'll focus on first. Are you going to start with vitamin D, or maybe you recognize that you need more B12? Let me know what resonates with you. In my next video, I'll reveal the surprising foods that are stealing your energy after 60. These are foods most people think are healthy, but they're actually causing fatigue, brain fog, and accelerating aging. You don't want to miss it. Remember this, you have more control over your balance and stability than you've been told. Your body is incredibly resilient and responsive when you give it the right nutrients. Start today. Be consistent, and within weeks, you'll feel stronger, steadier, and more confident in your movements. Your independence is worth fighting for.